Welcome back to the Angular Material tutorial. In this Angular Material series, we will show you how to use the Angular Material icon components with the working examples. An Angular Material icon is an essential component to support the next in the world UI or UX. Using MathIcon directive will make it easier to use vector-based icons in your Angular apps. The supported format only icon fonts and SVG icons. Table of contents. Preparations. Basic icon example. SVG icon example. MathIcon properties. The following tools, frameworks, and libraries or modules are required for this tutorial. Node.js, Angular 13, Angular Material, Terminal in Linux or Mac, or Node command line in Windows. Text editor or IDE, we are using VS Code. Let's get started with the main step. We will bundle all of these Angular Material icons examples in one application. For that, we will prepare our required Angular 13 applications and Angular Material. Now we are creating an Angular 13 app using Angular CLI, which needs Node.js and npm to install or update it. Make sure you have to install Node.js and npm before installing or updating Angular CLI. To install or update an Angular CLI, set these commands in the terminal. Next, create a new Angular app using Angular CLI by typing this command. These commands will create a new Angular app with the name Angular Material Icons and pass all questions as why. Then, the Angular CLI will automatically install the required npm modules. After finished, go to the newly created Angular folder, then run the Angular app for the first time. Using that --open parameter will automatically open the Angular in your default web browser. Here's what Angular default page looks like. Next, type these commands to install Angular Material using Angular CLI's install schematics after stopping the running Angular app. Leave all questions as default to finish the installation. Next, open an Angular application project with your text editor or IDE. Open and edit this RC app module TS. Then add this required import MathIcon module. Register the both modules to ngModules import. Now the Angular Material Icons modules are ready to use in Angular components. Icon example. To show the basic icons, simply add this MathIcon directive to your Angular page. We will use the existing app component HTML for our examples in this tutorial. Just remove all the contents in the div class content. Then add this basic icon directive. You will see these icons in the body of the Angular page when running this Angular application by typing this command. SVG icon example. To show the SVG icon is not simple as showing a basic icon. We need to register the SVG icon first. Open and edit this RC app component TS. Then add these imports. Then add a constant variable before the components that pointing to the SVG icon image data. We get that SVG icons from the material design icon. Next, add the constructor inside the app component class. In the SRC app component HTML, add the same match icon directive with the SVG icon property. Then here it is, the SVG icons look like. Matte icon properties example. Below are the examples of matte icon using its properties except for SVG icons that was used previously. Color property example. Font icon and font set properties example. To use a custom font set, for example, we will use Font Awesome. First, we need to install Font Awesome to Angular application. Tell these commands to install it using npm. Next, open and edit SRC styles, SCSS, then edit lines. Next, open and edit SRC app component TS, then register Font Awesome in the constructor body. Finally, in the app component HTML, add this icon directive. And here are what the icons look like. That is some of examples using material icon in Angular application. You can get the full articles and full source code in the description below. Thank you.